Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a spring-tastic, wonderful day today. Today we're having a Temu spring celebration collab. I love to see it. We love this time of year. Our favorite, Miss Tammy over at Haulin' It With Mima, invited a bunch of us to do a spring collab together. So here we are. It's all Temu, I'm pretty sure. And so there's 10 of us. So I'm going to keep my video as short as possible because I want you guys to go watch their videos. I'll make sure I link everybody down below. Maybe I'll even create a playlist down there for you once all the videos are uploaded. So Tammy please, I'm asking you guys, please subscribe and like and comment. There are giveaways and we have some really good giveaways, you guys. Every channel has a giveaway, and then those winners that win our giveaways go into a grand prize drawing for a $100 gift card. Yes, that's right, $100 gift card. My giveaway is a $50 gift card. So I'll leave a link below to go and fill out a form for that. So don't worry, we'll go over that. So Miss Tammy over at Haulin' With Mima is our hostess with the mostest. We have Laura from Favorites with Laura, Eric and George over at Smile Until It Hurts, Crazy Mimi Yup, Miss Linda over at Crazy Mimi Yup, Wendy at Kitty Street, Jessica at Simply Jessica Marie, Cheryl with Cheryl for Peace, Rochelle over at Onyx Moon Home and Halls, and Kitty Street, Miss Wendy over at Kitty Street, and myself. So I hope that was everybody. You guys, that's a lot of people, okay? And I have a big brain fog today. Like, my eyes even look funky today. Like, I tried to do a makeup look, and I think that the eye makeup I used messed up my eye, okay? Just bear with me. I'm so sorry. Just bear with me. All right, we're going to do a little Temu haul, and then I will go over how to get how to get entered into my giveaway and all of that again. But I want to do the haul really quick so you guys can watch that, and then please make sure to go to the other channels. Please give them a subscribe and a like. Also, this little beauty right here is a J. Crew necklace, if anyone asks. I got this over at one of my favorite sellers over at Whatnot. Her name is Zen Girl. So if you're over on Whatnot, look up Zen Girl, Zengirl. I will leave her link down below as well, because she has a lot of really beautiful vintage pieces, you guys. Make sure to check her out. Okay, let's just get this started. Okay, so first up, you guys, I bought one of these phone and tablet, they call it a lazy bracket, okay? Why do I feel attacked? Okay, I feel attacked. It's for a phone or an iPad or, you know, a tablet of whatever kind. But what I liked about this one, now this was $10.82 if I didn't mention that, is on the bottom here, you can have like two devices on this, and that's really important for Whatnot. You guys, I get on Whatnot every night. I don't sell as much as I used to, but I am going to be selling a little bit. But if you need to be like on your tablet and have your phone near you, that's kind of why I wanted this. So yeah, for $10.82, I know that seems kind of like a lot. But I think this would be like super handy for Whatnot if I can get in the package. Let me put these away and use my special cat paw cutter. Yeah, the cat paw cutter never ever lets me down. Okay. All right. Wow. This is hard to get into, but that's good. That means it's packaged well, right? All right, so of course you got to put the thing together, but that's not too hard. Now this base is weighted. It is heavy, so that means, you know, your devices aren't going to go rolling around anywhere. So if you need it to sit on a table at your desk at work, this is very, very weighted, okay? Which is awesome. And then we have this, which screws into here. I hope I'm showing this correctly. All right, this is the top part of this unit, which, as you can see, it's large, very large. You can definitely put a tablet in here. It can go either way, although I don't know how you would. I mean, yeah, I guess you could go this way, but how would you go this way with a phone? Because my phone, I could go across, but I couldn't do it. You know what I mean? Anyway, I don't know about that. You know what I mean? So anyways, you screw this part off, and good, even better. But the Whatnot shows I would have my phone like this. So I'm trying to figure out Hopefully my phone would fit long ways in there, which I think it should. And then I can put my other phone down here to like start the auction. So this is pretty cool. I like this. Mobile phone tablet, the lazy bracket. Okay. Okay, thanks Temu. Thanks. I needed that reminder that I'm lazy today for $10.82. Thanks a lot. Two are the same, so I'm going to show them kind of together. It's two pairs of earrings. Are they the same? Why would the one be the difference? So the silver ones are $1.75. The gold ones are $2.17. I will try and link this below, but I don't know. You know, I will try. Okay. All right. So these are hoop earrings that are crosses. I think they're really cute. They look like this. So they're hoops. They're like hoops, and then they have the cross. And this is the gold pair, so I really like those. And then I got a silver pair. Now, the silver pair is cheaper. I mean, I guess. I'm sure these are not, like, really good metal of any kind. I think they're probably maybe stainless steel. I don't think they're lead or nickel or anything like that. But, and then here are the silver ones. I just think they're really nice. That way I have a silver pair and a gold pair, depending on what kind of jewelry I want to wear for the day. Whether I'm wearing silver or gold, I have a pair for each. I just thought they were nice. And they're a nice size hoop. They're not like too big. They're not too big, too small, or anything like that. They're just like the perfect size. So yeah, I really like those. Those are nice. Love them. And of course, what would a haul be without a set of nails? Yes, did we say it all together? I got these in a large. I think these are really pretty. They were $3.36. I like the little packaging it's in. All the nails usually on Temu come with some glue tabs and a file, which I never use the glue tabs, you guys, but you could probably use these for other things, which I have a nail storage video coming up, which I may use these for. So we're definitely gonna hold on to those. So I thought these were really pretty. They're just like a kind of like a short almond pearly kind of. It's almost like a beigey pink, but I thought they were really nice. And for $3.36 to have a whole, you know, manicure for $3.36, I absolutely love that. So love those. All right, I got these pair of shoes, and I will say, I usually don't really have good, what do I want to say, good experiences with Temu shoes. So I got these to just probably be out on the deck in the morning or go out and get the mail or something like that. These were $13.28. I was thinking Meemaw house shoes. Meemaw house shoes is where I was going with these. So they are furry kind of they're furry on the bottom, but they're not furry like in up here, but they're just slip on. Like, I wouldn't even call these, I guess they're kind of like booties, but it's more of just like a slip on house shoe. But I love that it has like the fur trim, and I know it's spring. What are you doing with fur trim? But I'm thinking, I was born in the 70s, you know, so boots with the fur, okay? So we went back there. But they're really kind of cute. I like the print on them. But again, I was just going to use them as like a house shoe. So, you know, going out to the garage or messing around in the garage or whatever, something like that. Messing out in the yard, like in the morning or at night, or something like that, you know, because sometimes our backyard tends to have a lot of mosquitoes. So at night, I don't like to have on, you know, like really flashy sandals because I get bit up. So I'll wear something like this. And the fur isn't all throughout. It's actually just on the bottom where it's nice and cushiony. So the bottom is really nice and cushiony. And it's not like up in here or around here. So it's not like they're completely filled with fur. So I don't think they'll be like overly hot or anything like that. So there are those. I hope they just kind of work out for a house shoe, if you will. All right, and then I feel like I maybe have bought this before, but I'm definitely going to use it. It was $5.28. All right, so you get, in the package, you're going to get 3 refill pads like this, and then you get this thing, which I think you use, well, I would use it to clean the inside of my windshield, because I have like short arms. So I can spray my windshield and then use this. And I like that it has like the refill pads. So that's what I'm going to use this for, is to clean the windows in my car. I don't think it would be... At first I thought maybe I could do the windows outside, but I don't think so, because our windows outside tend to get really dirty, so I don't think that this would be a good option for that. But I do think it would be a good option for maybe your bathroom mirror, or, you know, your vanity mirror, or anywhere in your house, maybe the inside of your windows, but not outside, you know what I mean? Or in your car. But I think that's about as rough and tough as this thing's gonna get. And for $5.28, I'm not shocked. So yeah, that's what I use. That's what I'm gonna use it for anyways. Okay, last but certainly not least, we're gonna get into some florals. You knew it was coming. This is gonna be for the house, not outside. But these were $5.86. These are so pretty. So pretty, you guys. Can't go wrong with Temu florals. Can't go wrong with these. $5.86, okay? Look at the stems on these. They look real. They look almost like a realistic cut-off rose. And look at these roses, okay? Now they need a little bit of zhuzhing. You can... This is coming soon. I got some merch coming, you guys, so keep your eye out for that. So these look so realistic. There's a little bit of glue strands, but you just pull those off. But don't they look so super realistic? I mean, oh my gosh. They don't even really hardly need a zhuzh. Like hardly a zhuzh at all. Like barely a zhuzh. But I love the way that the greenery even looks on these. That looks so much like roses, doesn't it? I love these. I can't wait to put these somewhere upstairs. So that was $5.86. Okay, so Temu haul over. A little bit more about the collab, guys. I will leave a link below in the description box and in the comments. I want you to go there. It'll take you to Google Forms. Fill it out. You'll put your name, address, maybe your phone number. I don't know. But that way I know where to send your gift card. I'm giving away a $50 gift card for my giveaway. If you win my giveaway, it enters you into the grand prize drawing, which you will get a $100 gift card, okay? So I will draw the winner of my gift card on the 19th. And then the next day, when everybody knows who won their giveaways, we'll put all those people into a hat and they will win the grand prize. And then we'll all announce that grand prize winner together. I hope you understand that. I hope I explained it well. Okay, guys, good luck. Get your entries in. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hype, all the things. Tammy, thank you so much for inviting me to your collab. I appreciate it so much, girl. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck. Don't forget to get your entries in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!